Stringsters, this is Kathy here with VirtuallyStrings, and today I'm coming with you with another fundamentals of violin. What we're going to look at today is actually how to bow on the violin. The first thing you need to know is where you need to bow. So on the violin, you have what we call three lanes. There's a lower lane, an upper lane, and a middle lane. Now the two lanes right here, those are lanes that we'll worry about at another time when we've got a little more advanced. But the middle lane is our sweet spot. That's where we want to bow. So we want to bow in between the fingerboard right here and the bridge. So we're going to bow right here in the middle between the fingerboard and the bridge. To do that, we want to make sure we have our instrument up here correctly. We want to make sure we have our bow right here. And we're just going to bow. Now, with that bowing, we want to make sure we are using our elbow and our wrist, and we want to keep the movement in our shoulder to a bare minimum. Sometimes it's extremely hard not to have that minimum, or not to have any bowing in your shoulders, but we want to keep it to a very bare minimum, as in very little movement is coming out of your shoulders. With that, so one of the things that I see a lot of kids when they first start, they're doing something called what I like to call a chicken wing. Basically, they're using their shoulder to go back and forth. As you can see, that makes the bow go all over the place. So to prevent that from going all over the place and make you actually look like you are having a straight bow, we use our elbow and our wrist. Okay? The elbow is like a door. It goes open and shut. Open and shut. Now the wrist, on the other hand, goes up and down, just like if you're painting on a wall with a big old paintbrush, or if you are enjoying two rolls using a rolling paintbrush out there, rolling up and rolling down. Okay, so you want to make sure your bow, when you're rolling up, you're going to have your wrist is going to go up, like it's going towards the ceiling. When you go down, your wrist is going to go down, and you're going to the floor. So let's put all this together. Again, I'm about to bow down. If you notice, my wrist is up because my bow is in the position where it looks like it has started to end up in the up bow. We're fixing to go to a down bow, and you're going to see what happens as I switch. You see, right here, my bowing switched and it became a down bow. Now, as we go back, you're going to see my bowing, my wrist has now gone up because I'm doing an up bow. Okay, so that's basically how you are going to bow on the violin. So you want to make sure you are doing a down bow and an up bow like this. So the up bow is going towards the ceiling, the down bow is going towards the ground. You want to make sure your wrist is going down when it goes down bow and up. You want to do an open and closed with your elbow, and very little movement to no movement at all in your shoulder when you play. Keep in mind that you're also going to be playing here in the center. Okay, hopefully this answers your questions. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, please share any advice that you might actually have for new beginners on how to play with the bow on the violin. As always, please like and subscribe and share this video with others, and don't forget to press the bell down there so you get notifications of when these videos come out. Have a great day!